We're often asked about maintenance on the two printing press that we use, and I think it's about time to apply a little lubricant to the Washington hand press. Doesn't really require a large quantity of oil. This part's tricky because I have to make sure the press is locked over. And there's a little hidden oil spot on this one right there. Release that. Run the bed in. And on the runts, there's a couple where we oil the axle, and then we just apply a little oil here on the rails. The rails are kind of like a channel. The oil will run off, and as the bed goes in and out, it distributes the oil back and forth. There's a couple under here that we can make sure that we hit. Kind of working in the dark. But that's about maintenance for the Washington. Run the bed back and forth another time or two. Oh yeah. Now Jared doesn't pay attention when he starts using the press. He is going to slam it at one end or the other because it's rolling so easy now. General maintenance of the Washington hand press.